Hi everyone, let's talk today about setting up your Midjourney and Discord accounts, navigate the Midjourney website, and available subscriptions. Let's start from the Discord setup. Let's go to Discord page. If you have Mac as I do, you can download the app for Mac or open Discord in your browser, but I will download it for Mac. Then I will go to my downloads and open setup file. We need to move Discord to applications and then open it from applications. You can now log in to Discord. Now you need to fill in your information. It's an email. And here you need to make a good password and click login. It will lead you to your Discord account. And now let's go to the Midjourney page. Looks like this. Now we have options of documentation, explore, sign up, or log in. Let's click sign up next and continue with Discord. Here you need to choose a name, confirm that you are a person, and fill in your CAPTCHA. You need to fill in your birthday date and again fill in your email and a password. And now you can download your PC app. Let's now go to Midjourney webpage. Here we have our account, an option to explore. Here we can explore anything that was created in Midjourney by other people. Now we have option to create, organize, chat. Organize and create options are available only for subscribed users. Here we have an option of a chat as well. Here we have our tasks and our subscriptions. On the bottom, we have Q&A section, also notification section. We can choose mode here, so light, dark, or system, which I have light. And our account, and here we can manage our profile, manage subscription, manage our uploads, go to Midjourney Discord. If we click here, it will lead us to Midjourney Discord, or we can log out here. Let's go to manage subscription option and check prices. Here we have option of yearly billing or monthly billing. Monthly billing is a little bit more expensive than yearly billing. We have basic plan here with limited generations, general commercial terms, which is the same for all subscriptions, access to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and free current fast jobs, only free. In standard plan, we have 15 hours of fast generation, 30 hours for pro plan, unlimited relaxed generations, which are actually slower than fast generations, as well as for pro plan, general commercial terms for any subscription, access to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and free current fast jobs. Pro plan stands out by 40 hours fast generation and 12 current fast jobs. We have also option here of still image generation. Oh, we have also here a mega plan. Mega plan gives you 40 hours of fast generation, same as everywhere, unlimited relaxed generation, commercial terms, member gallery top-ups, same as for pro plan still image generation and 12 current fast jobs. So it stands out only by 60 hours fast generations. So tell me which plan would you choose for you? So tell me which plan you are choosing for you. And see you in the next video, where we will dive into a world of image generation.